Hello guys, welcome to Bioinformatics Bootcamp session organized by IT Smart Digital Skills. Today we'll be looking at introduction to bioinformatics and how to use biological database as a bioinformatician to gather information. First of all, what is bioinformatics? Bioinformatics is a multidisciplinary field that involves applying the knowledge of information technology with biological science to analyze biological data. So who is a bioinformatician? Someone who is trained in the field of biology. It could be any biological science field, and who is quite adept with computer programming, or basically just who knows how to use a computer to analyze biological data. So that is a bioinformatician. So today we'll be looking at how to use important biological database to analyze data and to gather information in our research work. First of all, we'll be looking at chEMBL. chEMBL is an online repository for bioactive molecules with drug-like properties. So on chEMBL, you can see, once you come to chEMBL, you can see the landing page, and right here in this box over here, you can search in chEMBL. Search for any bioactive molecule. Let's say, for instance, you're working on a project that involves you're studying the effect of penicillin in certain microbial infection. You can just search, come here and type penicillin. Okay, penicillin. You don't have to get the spelling correctly, just type something. It comes up with different flashcards and different report cards. So over here you can see each of these report cards have their chEMBL ID, compound report card, and this compound report card, there are lots of very useful information you can glean from here. You can see right here that penicillin, you can check the drug mechanism of penicillin, and you see right here that it inhibits the bacterial penicillin binding protein, which is in bacteria. That's the target organism in bacteria. So penicillin targets a particular protein in bacteria, and it inhibits the action of that protein, thereby severing the life of that protein. So you can see right on the right hand side of the screen, there are quite a lot of important, there is a menu there where you can navigate to important places. Let's look at structural alerts. You can search targets prediction, table displays chEMBL's targets which are predicted to interact with chEMBL. So you can see lots of meaningful information can be gleaned just by coming to this website, chEMBL. That's that on chEMBL. Another popular biological database that most bioinformaticians use is PubMed. PubMed, as the name implies, PubMed stands for publications in medicine. So PubMed is open source and it contains over 32 million citations for biomedical literature from Medline, life science journals, and online books. This is what PubMed looks like, and right in this search box you can, let's say, still on penicillin, you're trying to read on action of penicillin on bacteria. Let's just search and see what we can get from here. So you can see we have 635 results. These are nice publications. Some of them are not free, some of them, but on the left hand side of the screen you can streamline your results to what you want. If you're looking for books and documents, you can just click on it, and if you're looking for clinical trial, just come to the left hand side of the screen and just select what you want. The publication dates, if you want publications that are more recent, or you're looking for old publications, you can just do that right on the left hand side of your screen over here. Let's look at one of them and see what we can do. Yeah, so this is a free article: antibiotics past and present, the name of the authors, time it was created, etc, etc. So that's for that's PubMed. PubMed is a resource that is made available by the National Library of Medicine, which is under National Institute of Health. Yeah. Another popular and very useful bioinformatics biological database that can be used to speed up, to get meaningful data during your in silico research work is NCBI's website. So, sorry, welcome to NCBI's website, and right here on this page there are lots of things you can actually do. On the left you can see all the resources: chemical and bioassays, data and software, DNA, RNA, domain structure, gene inspection. On the right you can see what you can easily do right here. You click on blast, it takes you to a page where you can perform basic local alignment search tool. You can blast protein and blast nucleotide right from this page. That's kind of very useful. It saves a lot of time and effort in research work. We've looked at chEMBL, talked about PubMed, NCBI server. Another important online tool for bioinformatician is called chEMBL. chEMBL is also regulated by National Institute of Health, and what you can do on chEMBL is to get sequence data. You can get nucleotide data, you can get all forms of, you can see there are different databases that you can search from over here. Let's assume you're looking for nucleotide sequence data in fruit fly. Come here and you type fruit fly, and usually you get a lot of results. We have over 44,000 results here. See, still you can filter your results over here and filter based on your preferences. That's still on NCBI server. Very important bioinformatics database for bioinformaticians to know is called xParsy. xParsy is made available by the Swiss Institute of Bioinformatics, and it's kind of like a Swiss knife for bioinformaticians, where you can find all resource portals for your in silico analysis. On the left hand side you can see we have genes and genomes, proteins and proteins, evolution of structural biology, etc. All these flashcards are different resources for different activities. One of the most popular resources is UniProt. UniProt is used for protein. UniProt is a database dedicated to proteins and is used by proteome people who are into proteomics. I perform a protein blast on UniProt's platform. And that's that. There are other popular bioinformatics biological databases that we'll talk about as we move on along in this course. So far, so good. We've looked at chEMBL, which is for bioactive molecules. We've looked at GenBank, which is for getting sequence data. We've looked at NCBI server, where we can perform basic alignment search, blast. And we've also looked at UniProt, we've looked at XPath. And these are we also looked at PubMed, where you can get medicine publications in line of medicine. So that will be that for that. Thank you very much for your time. If there's anything you'd like to know, you can please comment in the comment section. Thank you very much.